Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Google and confirming two-factor authentication. This secures your account and avoids interruptions. Next, identify the task you need Gemini for: chat, image creation, code help, because choosing purpose shapes prompts and model settings. Once done, enable Gemini in Cloud Console or obtain an API key and check quota and billing limits so you don't hit surprise caps. Make sure to save keys securely. You'll use them immediately in the next configuration step. You now configure model parameters. Pick the Gemini variant, set temperature for creativity, adjust max tokens, and enable multimodal options if needed. Then craft prompts with clear context, 1-3 examples, and explicit output constraints. This reduces ambiguity and improves reliability. Once configured, run incremental tests. Start with brief queries, inspect responses for intent and format, and log errors or latency. If outputs drift, iterate prompt examples and lower temperature. These adjustments directly influence accuracy and cost. To finish, integrate Gemini into your app using the SDK or REST calls, and implement retries, timeouts, and input validation so the system behaves predictably under load. Monitor usage, cost, and response quality, and set alerts at about 80% quota or your dollar threshold to avoid surprises. If things go wrong, recreate the minimal failing prompt to isolate the issue, inspect request and model logs, and rotate API keys if you suspect unauthorized access. This approach resolves most common failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.